Welcome to the Software-Defined Factory. We're exploring the convergence of AI, IoT, and robotics that is fundamentally changing manufacturing. For decades, factory floors were rigid and mechanical. Now, we're witnessing a dramatic shift from simple automation to this software-defined factory, a living, breathing ecosystem. This transformation is driven by the convergence, where the Internet of Things acts as the nervous system, artificial intelligence is the brain, and robotics are the hands of the modern factory. Let's start with the nervous system, the Industrial Internet of Things, or IoT, which provides the data goldmine at the heart of the modern factory. Thousands of sensors monitor everything in real time, giving us a glass factory view. Unlike the past, issues are now visible instantly, not after a batch is ruined. Crucially, we've moved beyond sending all data to the cloud. Edge computing processes critical decisions directly on the factory floor, reducing latency to mere milliseconds. Next, the brain, agentic AI and machine learning. Data is useless without intelligence, and AI is stepping in to provide prescriptive action. We're moving from simply predicting maintenance to prescriptive action. If an AI agent detects a slight precision drift in a robotic arm, it autonomously corrects the issue, rerouting work and ordering parts before a human is even alerted. The projected impact is immense. AI is expected to reduce unplanned downtime by up to 45% maintenance costs and increase equipment lifespan by 20%. The physical manifestation of this convergence is the new generation of collaborative robots, or cobots, and industrial humanoids, the hands of the smart factory. These robots are designed with tactile sensors and 360-degree vision, allowing them to work safely alongside humans without the need for restrictive safety cages. Unlike old-school fixed robots, autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, navigate complex warehouses with the dexterity and versatility needed to pick and transport goods. One of the most powerful tools in this toolkit is the digital twin, which enables simulation before any physical execution takes place. Before a single physical bolt is turned, the entire factory is built in a virtual environment. Manufacturers use high-fidelity simulations to test what-if scenarios, ensuring optimal design and procurement. Through virtual commissioning, engineers can train AI models in a virtual world. When the physical robot is finally switched on, it already knows its environment, leading to instant deployment efficiency. The convergence of AI, IoT, and robotics represents more than just a technical milestone. It's a cultural shift toward collaboration. This new era moves from a man versus machine mentality to collaboration, where technology handles the dangerous and repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on strategy, design, and innovation. The goal of the software-defined factory is ultimately to create a resilient, sustainable, and human-centric future for manufacturing worldwide. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe. Join us at AIQuantumIntelligence.com, your trusted source for AI, robotics, IoT, machine learning, and data science news and learning resources. Together we learn. Together we thrive.